Today we eat ravioli with ananas with ricotta and consume with lavender. We need these ingredients. We have 3 mixtures. The first is 1 consume at lavender. It must be made with an infusion. Letting in infusion the spikes for at least 15 minutes. In a syrup made by water, sugar and vodka. In the second mixture we have simply ricotta mixed with some sugar. In the third mixture we have some pieces of ananas cut thin enough, pickled in the syrup of the first mixture. Now let's start the preparation of the dish. Now let's fill the ravioli. And now we will add the consume. In order to decorate we add spikes of lavender. The dish is ready.
Adesso riempiamo i nostri ravioli. E adesso aggiungeremo il nostro consumè. Per decorazione aggiungiamo 2 spighe di lavanda. Il piatto è pronto, buon appetito!